Autonomy Sanction here. Uh, I watched the Houses of Horror Blue and Garden Party. I don't want to spoil anything about it, but I watch it in maybe some maybe some YouTube fan base YouTube channel. I watch it. I I like it. I love it. I love it. I don't want to spoil anything about the movie. That movie is available only in Japan yet, not yet in the overseas. Just waiting for the right opportunity to watch it again. But I watch it. I think one of the fans released the full movie. I watched it a little bit, but I get it. I don't want to spoil it. I know. A little bit. I know some of you are waiting for the major release of the movie. I know. I'm also a voice actor, regular schedule. Yep. And also I'm waiting for the regular session of the season. And this is your host, Dr. Sonny Session of Death and Multiverse.